Time now for everybody's favorite segment of the program, a visit by my wife, Jean Edelman. Jean, a student of the healing arts, Reiki, traditional Chinese medicine, homeopathy, acupuncture, and of course, macrobiotic and plant-based cooking. Here's Jean.
Hello, great to be with you this week. This week, my word is age. It's just a number. What matters is how we feel. And the goal is to feel good. The goal is to wake up each day without pain and stiffness. I know you're rolling your eyes. We need to, because how many of us wake up without pain and stiffness? But we need to stop the illusion that as we age, we can't be strong, healthy, and vibrant. The key is to connect the dots, to understand that how we treat our body in our 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, and 60s will affect our long-term health and vitality as we enter our 70s, 80s, 90s, and beyond. You heard our friend Ken Dykewald, the founder of H-Wave, in his interview with Rick. Feeling good is about our diet, exercise, sleep, reducing stress, our relationships, our continued learning. We do not need to prove ourselves to anyone. We have the wisdom from our life's experiences. We shift from jobs and commitments to having freedom to learn and recreate ourselves. And so an action item for this week: have you made a major life change? Take some time to chart out your list of new experiences, new classes. Maybe it's an outdoor experience, a hike, train for a mini marathon. What health changes will you make? Will you be taking daily walks? Maybe shift to a plant-based diet. Maybe learn to cook for the first time. This is our time, the time when we get to focus on ourselves. No guilt, no judgment. And so my word of the week is age. A is for accept. Accept ourselves for who we are. All the bumps and scrapes that have gotten us to this moment, we should be proud of our accomplishments, proud of everything we've gone through to date, and excited for what's to come. G is for grace. Give ourselves grace. We're so hard on ourselves. We're children, and every day is new and glorious. Be available for what can appear in our day. And E is for expand. We want to expand our mind. We can change everything. We can be a 70-year-old bodybuilder. We can be a long-distance swimmer. We can paint and create anything we want if we expand our mind to believe that we can. Don't get stuck in the stereotype of an age. We create what it looks like. We create what we want it to be. It can be so much fun. There's no rules as to what and how we need to be. These are our best decades. Dream big. Have a great week, everybody.